Well, first thing is I am Joe Hohtenstein, State Representative for the 177th District, which is the lower northeast part of Philly. My neighborhood where I grew up is Frankfurt, and that's in the district, along with the neighborhoods of Bridesburg, Port Richmond, Fishtown, Tacony, Wissinoming, Mayfair, and little pieces of a couple of other neighborhoods along the way as well. So I grew up, like I was just telling everybody, in a nice large family. I'm the fifth of 7 children. My mom and dad are still alive. They are celebrating their 60th anniversary in 2 days. And so that's been a stressor for our family. And, happy to have a whole bunch of brothers and sisters who do the work, the good work. I always try to introduce myself by just letting people know that I have a sibling who does everything. And that kind of lets people know a little bit of who I am as a result. So my oldest sister is an organizer for SEIU, 32BJ, has been for over 25 years. My 2 older brothers, one of them is a DEP engineer for the state of Pennsylvania. He's a program manager in Southeast region. And then my other older brother works in climate change. He is a program director for the Climate Change Policy Office in the Department of Agriculture in DC. And my other older sister is a nutritionist. She works with rural populations in North Carolina. And my 2 younger brothers, one of them is a potter, and he is studying to be a nurse. And my other younger brother is a software developer. So we've got a lot of different skills, a lot of different things. My brother, who's going to be a nurse, has actually spent 20 years in the direct service, the DSP world. He was working in a group home for folks with intellectual disabilities for about 20 years. So I've got a background of people who, my mom and dad were both union members. My dad was a PFT member, and my mother was a shop steward for AFSCME DC 47, actually local 1739. So as a teacher and social worker, again, those kinds of values are what I was brought up in. And that's what informs a lot of what I do. For me personally, I spent 25 years as an immigration attorney prior to becoming a state legislator. I speak Spanish fluently, and to me, the service aspect, the constituent service aspect of the work that I do is very similar to how I would work with my clients. A lot of hands-on stuff, a lot of recognizing what people's problems are and trying to find the ways to solve them, even if I don't have the direct tools to do so. To get them the solution, whether it's me who solves it for them or not. So that's a little bit of who I am.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.